The science of why you're always tired. You sleep 8 hours but wake up exhausted. You drink coffee all day but still crash. You've tried everything but nothing works. There's a scientific reason for this, and it's not what you think. Inside every cell of your body are microscopic structures called mitochondria. Scientists call them the powerhouse of the cell. They produce 90% of your body's energy. Think of mitochondria like tiny batteries. When they're fully charged, you feel amazing, but when they're damaged or depleted, everything suffers. After age 30, mitochondrial function naturally declines, about 10% every decade. But modern life accelerates this decline. Scientists identified natural compounds that support mitochondrial health. A company called Mitolyn combined 6 of them into one formula: Maqui Berry, Rhodiola, Haematococcus, Amla, Theobroma Cacao, and Schisandra. Together, these compounds support your mitochondria at the cellular level. This is how you address fatigue at its source. Quick transparency note: the link in the description is an affiliate link. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to check this out. Click the link to learn more about Mitolyn's 90-day money-back guarantee. Quick transparency note: the link in the description is an affiliate link. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to check this out. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement.